What's going on, guys? It's Will. Hopefully you're having a great day today. In this video, we're going to go over some of the top data center plays we're watching right now, but primarily APLD. APLD stock is up 6.25% and APLX is up over 12%. As we've been trading these ones quite often, we're able to catch a 20% plus swing on APLX last week. And we're currently trading TSSI. It's holding just below kind of a stop we got going on there. So we bought the dip early this morning, just about 800 shares, targeting about $1,000 profit with risk there about 2% or so on that trade. So just wrapped up our daily live trading session. If you ever want to tune on in, it's the second link below. And just wrapped up our daily live trading session. And if you ever want to get a custom profit plan to help you pick out the top data center companies, defense companies, robotics companies, I actually put together a free profit plan that when you enter the details of what your goals are, it will actually send you an AI consultation summary of all of the top recommendations of stocks that might make sense for you to look at in the markets that would be growing the fastest for you. So if you want to go grab that, totally free. It's something I've designed to get people personalized plans in a scalable way, and it's going to be in the first link below. Go grab access while you can. APLD is at $39 today. We saw it surge from about 23 bucks a share to as high as $41 a share over the last 25 days. And in its surge today, we see it reach previous highs that were the kind of all-time highs for them, around $40 that we saw back here in October of 2025. And so as they've continued their overall uptrend, we're looking for about a 16% continuation on bounce on this EMA and continuing the trend. They did hit that 16% gain over the last 5 days. And one of the things we're noticing with the company is that they're growing extremely fast with their revenue. Now, revenue is one thing. You have the net income being another, and some of the income that we've seen with the company has broken expectations positively. There was a lot of anticipation that they had signed multiple multi-billion-dollar deals that put their pipeline into 15 to 20 billion, but their market cap was still holding around 8 million or 8 billion, so that we could potentially see them 2x. Now that was back here around this $20 to $25 range. In fact, even earlier back here around September, around that $20 range. And they've really surged from $3 a share in last year very consistently up to about $40 now. And so as they've 2x'd from that $20 a share, they're now getting into levels that would be more congruent with their current financials that they have. So total assets, their billions of dollars they've been stacking. And then kind of potentially as they break above $40 a share, if they can hold above 40, let's say that their new kind of level of resistance at 40 that we've seen them get rejected at before becomes a new level of support, they're able to push above and keep above this $38 to $40 range, then you're looking at a potential bullish breakout. And now you're pricing in for levels that are anticipated, meaning yes, they have 15 to 20 billion dollars in deals that now you might see their market cap get up to, if they hold and they continue to run above 40, a valuation of around 20 to maybe 25 billion. So really what to watch is that resistance. We're using some proxy apps, some AI to get a good look. $40 resistance, they're looking to break above and hold above. And they haven't made that 20% move. And then if they can, then potentially you're looking at that as the new support level. But do watch out, as in the near term, if trends, which are the things that are kind of keeping them going to be able to trade at a premium, don't continue, they could potentially sell back to this previous resistance and support level right here around this $33 range, which would be a 15% sell down. So those of you guys that are investing in the data center markets short term, be wary of those people that are saying it's going to the moon, because there are corrections, there are pull downs. that happen. And if you aren't managing risk, then you might be a little bit discouraged. So important to manage risk. In fact, we were just doing it this morning on our TSSI trade this morning. Not the perfect entry. In fact, they're just above our stop loss right now. You can see we are down about a $140 negative, right? The thing is I'm totally fine with that when we enter trades every morning. And if we are doing short-term trades, so for those of you guys that do short-term trades, we know what the purchase price is, what the levels are at the current price, and then we know how many shares we have, for example. And so when we get into trades, we have our risk managed appropriately here in this this trade profit calculator, which we do give out to our email list for free as well. So once again, if you want to go grab that free profit plan, you can also get it on our email list, which you would get access to if you get your free profit plan in the first link below. Would love to send that over to you. With that being said, guys, the near term, we're going to be watching this trade on TSSI for about $1,000 profit potential. And then we're also going to be trading here on APLD as we do hold long-term positions in the company and keeping you up to date on that data center market boom that's happening as they're constructing many top data centers for top companies like CoreWeave, who is crushing it today. So they're up 12%. So want to stay up to date? Make sure to subscribe. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Would love to see you there at Market Open in the second link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.